A flawless skin texture makes a portrait truly captivating. Today, how to create detailed skin textures. Start by opening Photoshop and creating a 2500 by 3500 pixel canvas at 300 dpi. Place your portrait and duplicate the layer for safety. Go to Filter, Camera Raw Filter. Slightly increase texture and clarity to reveal fine skin details. Use the healing brush or spot healing to remove major blemishes without losing natural pores. Next, apply a high-pass filter at around 2 pixels on a duplicate layer. Set the blend mode to overlay and use a soft mask to sharpen only